Hi, this is Linda Hines with lindahines.com, and today I'm going to show you my recycled jean book. These jeans were given to me and I wanted to make a book for some friends. So this is the cover, and I put it together. The spine is made of sinew, but you could use wax linen, some strong thread, and I attach beads to it. And this is how it looks like inside the actual book. Here are some pages, and all the leaves I made. There is a tutorial on my blog, and I'll put it down in the below this. And also on each page, or almost each page, I have some jewelry or some little thing that I'd hand sewed on. And again, there are leaves. Those are the leaves that I made, and there is a tutorial on my blog. There also is a tutorial on how I made those irises. And I chose to just let it be shabby chic and just sew the edges and let them fray. I just thought that would look good. And again, just more things we did. I talk about how I made this in several blog posts on my blog. I love you to come by. It's lindahines.com. Thanks for stopping by.